Glams, it's your host again, Natanya with the Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here with another hair video, and I know that you all know that because I have this plastic bag on my hair. But in this video, I'm going to be pretty much showcasing how I do a PrePoo treatment using the Vo5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze Conditioner. This is another staple go-to conditioner that I have in my arsenal of conditioners when it's coming time for me to PrePoo my hair. Now, the reason why I PrePoo my hair prior to washing is it helps detangle, it helps loosen, and it helps rehydrate, in a sense, being that I'm going to be going in with a sulfate shampoo to get my hair somewhat squeaky clean. Now, the benefits of this conditioner is that it is paraben and sulfate free, but in my case that doesn't really matter because I've been applying conditioners on my hair that do contain the sulfates as well as the parabens. So if you are a girl friendly product seeker, this is a product right here that I would recommend. Also, if you're a purse friendly product seeker such as myself, I definitely recommend this product because I picked this up from my local Family Dollar for less than $1. Now, this conditioner, my thoughts on it is that it does have a bit of a citrusy smell. It is kiwi lime squeeze, so you do smell the citrus smell in it. Also, it is excellent because it is very watery. Look at that. It just ran right out of the bottle. So basically, when I do the demo with this product, you're going to see me being able to go through my hair without applying water on it. This product I would recommend if you want to do a PrePoo treatment using conditioners versus using oils. I recommend this right here because you can use a whole lot of product without feeling like you're wasting product and wasting money at the same time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial.